Drawme ARTKIDS!
Hi everyone! Welcome back! Today, we're going to draw a cute ladybug. Let's draw together! Let's draw a face.
Round and round.
Draw a big circle.
Nice and round. Please like and subscribe.
Ladybugs eat small bugs.
And help plants grow.
Let's draw the eyes.
2 cute eyes.
Add eyebrows.
And a happy smile.
Now let's draw 2 antennae.
1 and 2.
Let's draw the body.
A big round body.
Draw a line here. Let's draw the feet.
Tiny little feet.
Now draw the spots.
Dot, dot, dot.
Let's draw a leaf under the ladybug. Did you know?
Ladybug spots are not their age.
The spots show what kind of ladybug they are. Now add the details.
So cute!
Now let's color.
You can color with any supplies you want.
Take your time. Amazing!
You did awesome!
See you next time!